Hello everyone, welcome to Decode Indian Markets. Um, so first of all, let me show you my positions, running positions, which I had already shared yesterday as well. Yesterday this position was there. I had this 26,300 call option sold, and it was running. Today I have booked 1,136 rupees from here, and these two I have done a small scalping. This two I have booked, but I did I did place some 5 6 orders, and because of this I was not able to make much profit because I have already paid charges like 434. Okay, it includes uh, I think 60 70 rupees for this position, this one, but rest of the amount like almost 300 or something I have paid for this. So this is something I would be avoiding, but then I wanted to test a little strategy which I have for scalping, so I just tried and I made this profit, but this is not useful, so just like ignore this one. So I have made like 1,136 rupees in profit today, and then I took this again. I sold 50 points below the current level, so I have sold at 50 rupees, 26,250. Let's check the graph chart and see what we can analyze for tomorrow. So as per today's market, it was bearish and it closed around 26,758. So this support is broken. So let's close this off, and so this 1.42% from here, why we had drawn. Let's check that once again. We go to 1 hour time frame and analyze it. Okay. So if you had seen our yesterday's video, we already told that the market can actually go down, right? If this resistance, this support is broken, because the market yesterday closed here, right? Today it went up, it broke this resistance level up, and then it came down from this, making a high of 25,946. So it did not cross 26,000, which was a psychological resistance level, which we normally say. At the same time, if you remember, we had talked about this head and shoulders pattern. So if I change this to demonstration, so this is shoulder, this is a shoulder, and this was a head, and we had our shorts running for 26,300. Now we have booked our little profit here, and the shorts have moved to 26,250, and this is for 23rd December, I think. Yeah, 23rd December is the expiry for the shorts we have. So from here, let's see what can happen. The thing is that it has not yet closed this gap. This gap would act as a support. This gap would also act as a support. So if you clearly see, this whole region is kind of a support level. Okay, and if this support is broken, then we may see a level of 25,500. The market, the Nifty, can come down to this level 25,500, and if at all it turns back from here and choose to move up, the buyers enter. Then if this resistance is again crossed and sustained above this level, then yeah, we can see it moving up. So probably what happened today was that it was trying to fill this gap. This gap was still pending, if you see, right? So the gap was from here. This, the closing was here, right? Closing was here, and yesterday the price went till this. Still there was a little gap pending, and the gaps would act as a resistance. This gap also acted as a resistance. Now there was still a little gap pending. This also acted as a resistance, and it went into this resistance and all the way came down to this level. And if we see this one, okay, so let's see this one. The closing and low, the closing and low are at the same level. Today's closing and low are at the same level. So we can still expect a decline. I would say the trend is downwards. Already we had said that this low was broken here. So the trend was downwards. Now again, it has proved today that it went up, did a little retracement, then came down here. So we could expect levels of 25,500 in future if this pattern is followed. So I will be carrying forward this trade and we will see how it goes. Please like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comment section if you are expecting to watch more videos, any informative videos, any educational videos, like why I am taking trades. I usually take credit spreads, so that's what we have here. So this is a credit spread I'm taking. At the same time, I did some scalping there. So just ignore the scalping. So this was the credit spread I took, and this was the profit I have booked. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see you tomorrow. Thank you.